Okay, maintenance time. Let's grab some gloves and get to it. Have a look, see what's up. A couple of walk-in cooler and a walk-in freezer, one-on-one. Okay, let's get the vacuum cleaner and start cleaning up the area and wash the condensers. Okay, so just walk-in freezer. Pretty sure up top here. Yeah, freezer. Walk-in cooler. Down below. A bunch of junk down there. Condenser. Needs washed for sure. For sure we need a hot water wash on that. Okay, man, that place dirty. All those all cleaned up in there. Vacuum condensers. Tons of debris. Man, the amount of debris around here was just freaking insane. The place was dirty. I cleaned it all up. Oh, top unit. Man, that salt air is starting to get that suction piping pretty good. Whew. What do you guys think? I'm going to sand that pipe and paint it. See if we can get a few more years out of it. Shoot, we're like 50 feet from the water, maybe 100 feet from the water. Salt air is doing pretty good though. I mean, these condensers are doing surprisingly well for being 100 feet from the water. I'm incredibly surprised. But I do keep them clean. I wash them with hot water every year. So, anyways, 6:02 p.m. All the vacuuming done.